Greetings, how are you doing? In my videos, whenever I look for a package on Gentoo, I use a tool known as EIX. So I wanted to tell you how you can install such tool on your system, especially if you are using Gentoo. So to install it, you can run the command to install any other package, which is emerge-av, and the package name, in our case it's EIX-av is optional. Press enter after you type the command correctly. Yep, you can see it's not very big, not more than a megabyte when it comes to the package's size. Still not unpacked. Press Y, enter, and let it install. I'll be back once it's done. Alright, so our installation is done. Of course, I want to remind you that I installed it using the root user. That's why I did not specify sudo. For you, you should choose between switching to the root user or specifying sudo before the installation. Alright, so the next command is gonna be EIX-update. You wait some time for it, it's gonna do the sync. Our EIX update is done. EIX-sync. Pardon me for my emerge sync, it's using the old rsync method, which is gonna last longer than the git method. I've done a video about it, you can check it in the cards and get a faster emerge sync command. It doesn't mean that I did not do that on my hardware, on my machine. This is just a virtual machine, that's why I still did not do it here. We'll be back once it's done. Right, so my EIX-sync is done, and this is the best evidence for it. After you install EIX, if you want to be able to add the remote repositories, you run this command like this. You wait for it, it's gonna download, and then if we want to look for any package, especially the ones that are in the overlays, we can look for them. Alright, so we may need to do this from time to time since the repositories change. So I mean the overlays, the third-party repositories for Gentoo, they're called overlays, as you know. They change. Some of them are enabled, some of them are added, some of them are disabled, some of them have extra packages. That's normal for any third-party repository or any Linux distribution. Such thing happens. So one of the options to run EIX every time you update your system is to change this file. Alright, so we make the folder because it complained about it, and then we go and make the file, and then we put in it this command, this piece of code, which is the same command, and it's a script. We save and exit, and then we make it executable like this. Okay, so every time we run emerge sync, the command EIX-remote update is gonna be automatically run. That's the first thing. Second thing, we can also, this one about updating the cache with each sync. I remember before I installed EIX, as you have seen, I use it all the time. I believe that this is what I did, which is go into this file and adding what's supposed to be added like this, and then take this, save and exit. So this is the machine where I have EIX installed and configured correctly. I will prove, or I will check myself in case like I configured it the same way or not. This one is for the layman. This is for layman. We don't need it anymore because layman is deprecated. Save and exit. And then we check this one as well, in case I've done it in the first machine, like this. Yep, so it's correct. And now I cannot prove that my EIX is gonna be automatically running because I did run emerge sync. So let's try to look for a package, because EIX dash remote update has been run already, as you have seen. So these ones are from another overlay which is not enabled here, which proves that you can look for any package, including the ones that are not installed in any repository, whether it's the official one or the third-party one. You can also do these ones. So simply we take all of this, copy it, and then paste it like this. And we can check on our new machine where we have installed just installed EIX. We can check if we did it correctly, and it sounds like it's correct. It says here that we need to make this script to make this thing automated. So let's do it. It's by copying this and pasting it in this file. Now we need to make the folder first. This, then paste this, and then we make it executable, so it starts at the startup. If you're using system D, you need to make it like this file, but by default Gentoo uses OpenRC. You can also have some extra optimizations which are optional. That's why I did not do them in this video. What I have done may be enough for you if you want to simply install EIX and get it running on your system. The details, you can find them in the wiki. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in similar content, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. And cheers.